In preparation for a potential Ukrainian counteroffensive, Russian troops took defensive measures by fortifying strategic areas in southern and eastern Ukraine last autumn. Anticipating the Russian military's defensive preparations, Ukrainian forces assembled a substantial fleet of specialized engineering vehicles with the primary objective of breaching enemy defenses. Among the rarest and most valuable assets in the Ukrainian fleet are the BMR-64 mine-clearing tanks. However, these tanks have faced significant challenges during the ongoing conflict. At least 2 BMR-64 tanks have been disabled or captured by Russian forces, including one incident just last week. To stay ahead of the anticipated Ukrainian counteroffensive, Russian workers diligently dug trenches, constructed earthen berms, installed concrete tank obstacles, and most importantly, heavily mined the surrounding areas. These minefields consisted of thousands of mines. When the long-expected counteroffensive finally commenced over 3 weeks ago, the Ukrainian troops quickly encountered the formidable challenge posed by the extensive minefields. Particularly, a forceful assault led by the 33rd and 47th Brigades of the Ukrainian Army ended disastrously on June 8 when they inadvertently ventured into a minefield in Zaporizhia Oblast, resulting in significant losses. Given the sheer density of Russian mines, Ukraine's combat engineers have been tasked with leading the way. These engineers, riding in specialized vehicles, attempt to clear a safe passage through the minefields by either rolling over or plowing through the mines, providing a path for tanks and other combat vehicles. This dangerous work carries inherent risks, as mine rollers and mine plows do not always function flawlessly. Consequently, Ukrainian engineers have suffered significant casualties during the initial weeks of the counteroffensive. For instance, during the assault south of Mala Tokmachka, the 47th Brigade lost 3 out of its 6 ex-Finnish Leopard 2R mine-clearing vehicles. Additionally, the assault force suffered the loss of 1 German-made Weisent mine-clearer, out of the approximately 40 available in Ukraine, as well as an ex-Soviet BMR-2. Furthermore, along other fronts of the counteroffensive, the Ukrainian forces have also reported the destruction of several other engineering vehicles equipped for mine-clearing, including 2 Soviet-era IMR-2s and another BMR-64. A recent video circulating online showcases a damaged and abandoned BMR-64 in Zaporizhia, seemingly a casualty of the very mines the crew was attempting to clear. The exact number of BMR-64s remaining within the Ukrainian army remains unclear, as they had lost one last year and another during the most recent incident. The initial batch of BMR-64s was manufactured at the Malashov tank plant in Kharkiv in 2018, leaving open the possibility that additional units were produced since then. The BMR-64, weighing 40 tons, combines the armored hull and turret of AT-64A tank from the 1970s with KMT-7 mine rollers. To reduce weight and minimize the crew to 2 members, the tank's 125mm gun was removed. One of the primary challenges associated with the BMR-64, which is common to many Soviet-style mine-clearing vehicles, is the risk of detonating mines only in the narrow channels directly in front of the vehicle's tracks. This leaves the potential for undetonated mines in the middle of an assault lane. It is worth noting that leading Western mine-clearing equipment, such as the wide plow manufactured by Pearson Engineering in the United Kingdom, minimizes this risk by covering a larger area. As the counteroffensive enters its second month, it is expected that Ukraine's combat engineers will continue to lose engineering vehicles. However, these losses are unlikely to halt the progress of the counteroffensive. While Ukraine may deplete its limited number of Leopard 2 Rupees and BMR-64s, they still possess numerous Weisents, BMRs, IMRs, and other engineering vehicles capable of mounting mine rollers or mine plows. Thanks for watching.